We're upgrading your digital banking experience. March 3rd, 2025. Here are the highlights. Online users navigate to our website and click Login. Select Sign Up. Enter your information and register for two-factor authentication. Create your new credentials. Mobile users need to download our new app. Select First-time user. Enroll now. Mobile users may also activate biometrics. Enjoy a seamless experience across devices. Select an account to view transactions and re-establish alerts. Quickly make transfers, pay bills, or access e-statements. Tap here to deposit checks from anywhere. Access the menu to manage settings or switch between profiles. Mark your calendars. Exciting enhancements are arriving March 3rd.